Assalamu alaikum, my dear student. How are you getting on? I hope that's good by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is Abir Hossain Khan, assistant teacher in mathematics of National Ideal English Version School at Day Shift. Today I am taking a class on geometry for class 4. Geometry studies us the shape, dimension, place, position, etc. of something else. But today we will learn an important and interesting topic of geometry, which is draw an angle by protractor. My dear student, this is a protractor. I hope you have already known to it and you will find it in any kind of geometry box. In protractor, look, I have already drawn here a protractor. This is a protractor such as there is a line in bottom is called zero line, there is a line in bottom is called zero line, and there is a center included the zero line, and in top position there is a scale and which is marking a scale, and it denotes and uses for measure the angle. And you have already known that protractor is used for drawing and measuring the angle. Now let's start to draw some kind of angle, that is acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle. Now I am drawing an acute angle. We have already know that acute angle means the angle which measure is less than 90 degree but greater than 0 degree. First of all, we have to take a ray for drawing an angle, and if I denote this by B and C, and I want to draw an angle at B point, so I mark the point B. If you want to mark here, then you will draw the angle in here. If you mark here, then you will draw the angle in here. That is no matter of fact where you are drawing, but the matter of fact is the measurement, is it correct or not. Now put the protractor and coincide the center of this point where I am trying to draw an angle. Now this ray is moving this way, so you will count the opposite side, to the opposite side. First of all, there is 30 degree, so I want to draw an angle of 30 degree. Now count 10, 20 and 30. This is 30 degree, and mark the point whereas the 30 degree is situated. Now look at the protractor, there is another 30 degree here. So which will be the used for us if we draw the angle this way. If we draw the angle this way, then we use this one, and if we want to draw the angle this way, then we use this 30 degree. Then we have already marked the point of 30 degree. Now add this point and this point by so if I denote this point by A, then we can say ABC is an angle of 30 degree. Look my dear student, if you draw this type of B will be here and C will be here, then you will similarly mark this point and put the protractor on the point similarly, and then count 10, 20 and 30 this here. Then you will add this point Then if I denote this one by A, then angle ABC is also 30 degree. So this is the angle of 30 degree. This is correct and this is also correct. As you wish, you can draw any one. Now we will draw the angle 45 degree. 45 degree. Similarly, at first you take a ray this way and denote it by B and C. Then similarly, like as last way, we can put the protector in this position and this way. My dear student, you have to remember that the zero line must be coincide of this baseline. If it is not coincide correctly, then your drawing will be wrong. Now I am coincide this point and this zero line by this baseline, then count this is 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. This is 40 and this is 50. The 45 is between them, that is this is the point of 45 degree. Now mark this point as this way. So if I denote this one by A, then we can say ABC angle is 45 degree. Let's go the next one, that is 90 degree, which is right angle. We have already known that right angle means the measurement of an angle is 90 degree. That means similarly we can draw a ray and called it BC. Then put and mark an point, then keep the protector this way and here there is the 90 degree. So then mark and add these 2 points, then it will be the 90 degree. And if I denote this one by A, then I can say ABC is the angle of right angle and which measure is 90 degree. Now let's go the next one. Next one is obtuse angle. Obtuse angle means the measurement of an angle which is greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. Greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. Now similar way we can draw a line or a ray which is called as BC. Then take a point and put the protector here and coincide the zero line with this base ray. Now count 120 degree. 120 degree means 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110 and 120. So this is the 120. Then add these 2 points, that is this and this, and if I denote this point by A, then I can say the angle ABC is 120 degree. So this is an obtuse angle. My dear student, always don't be hesitated by seeing there is 2 points in your marking scale of protector, that is you can see these 2 numbers in one place. So don't be hesitant, this is the angle and this is another angle. If you consider this way, this is the angle 30 degree and this angle 150 degree is the supplementary angle of 30 degree. So if I want to draw the angle 30 degree, then we use this one, and if we draw the supplementary angle of 30 degree, then we use this one, অর্থাৎ that is 150 degree. So this is the drawing tricks of geometry by protector. Hope you enjoyed and understood the class today. Keep practicing more and more. Abide by your parents and listen to your elders. See you soon. Until then, Allah Hafiz.